Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Technical Storm. Today we will learn how to create your own image with your own text. For example, I have already made a one. This is the sample. You can choose any image and you can write any text, any type of text on it with your own choice. For making such type of image, you have to download a app. I have given the link in description. When the app is downloaded, open the app. When you open the app, this type of interface will appear. Now you have to click on pencil button at right topmost corner to create your own images. Click. Now such type of interface will appear. Now you have to select a background for your image. For that you have to click on this background button. When you click on the background button, there are three options. You can choose a simple color or you can select from gallery. You can also download the background from the Google. For downloading the background from the Google, you have to first open the Chrome and now type border designs. Now you have to click on images. When you click on images, such type of interface will appear. Now you have to click on three dots at the right top. When you click on the three dots, there is an option of desktop site. You have to enable this option. When you enable this option, this page will reload and looks like this. Select the image you want to download. Suppose I am selecting this image. First click on this image and now hold the image for 2 seconds. Now such type of dialog box will appear. You have to now click on download image. When you click on download image, your image will be downloaded. Now go back to the app and select from gallery. Now click on this and select customize. Select this customize. Click on the tick button at the right topmost corner. See, your background is applied. Now you have to change the text. For that you have to click on this quote button at the left bottom. Here you have to type When you have complete your typing, click on the tick button at the right top. When you click on it, the text will be appear. Now you are not able to see the text. This is because the text color is white. You have to change the text color. For that you have to click on font color. Here, font color. When you click on it, a list of color will appear. You can select the color from here by tapping on it. For example, I am selecting this color. Now you have to change, if you want to change the font and text size, you can click on style. Here you can do so many things. For example, from here you can increase the size of text. Here you can decrease the size. From these are the alignments, center, left, right. From here you can change the font and from here you can change the spacing. Now I am doing C. I am increasing the font size. I am decreasing the font size. Now click on font. From here you can select the font as per your choice. There are so many fonts. You can select any one of them. And for spacing, this is used for increasing the line spacing. This is used for decreasing the line spacing. And similarly, letter spacing. This is used to decrease the letter space and this is used to increase the letter space. First I am increasing the line spacing. See, difference between subscribe and more is increasing. And now I am decreasing the line spacing. See, space is decreasing. And similarly you can increase the letter spacing. See, and also decrease the letter spacing. you can also change the position by simply dragging this. As you can see, I am simply dragging this option. You can also use two finger to increase the size or decrease the size. Now if you have completed your image, you have to download the image. For that, you have to click on this green button at the right top. Click on it, and now you can select the size, image size. By default, you should use the default and click on save. Now your image is downloaded in gallery. Your image is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.